Contact lenses provide many vision benefits and are one of the safest forms of vision correction. However, when used improperly, contact lenses can lead to eye infections and serious vision damage. Don't sleep in your contact lenses if they are not recommended to do so. Don't wear contact lenses past their recommended use date. They may warp, harbor infection, or cause pain and dryness of the eye. Don't swim in your contact lenses. Swimming pools can harbor serious eye-threatening infections. Don't use your own saliva from your mouth to wet your contact lenses. Your mouth harbors many kinds of bacteria that can risk your eye health. Don't ignore persistent pain and eye redness. Infections such as ulcers can be very serious. Don't rinse your contact lenses with tap water. It is not sterile and can harbor eye-threatening bacteria.